All right, today we are talking about using compatible numbers part 2. So example 1 asks us to use compatible numbers to estimate each sum or difference. As a reminder, a sum is the answer to an addition problem, and the difference is an answer to a subtraction problem. Now, using compatible numbers in problem A. So we have $10.78 plus $2. That was not totally in the ones place. $2.24. Now, we're going to think in terms of quarters for this problem. $10.78 is pretty close to $10.75. $2.24 is pretty close to $2.25. Now, that makes things really easy for us because we can add this without having to go through everything. We know 75 cents and 25 cents makes $1. So I'm going to go ahead and put my 2 zeros down here. And I know that this is going to be a 1 up here, because there would have been a 1 up there. So 1 plus 2 is 3, and the 1 in the tens place comes down. So that comes out to $13. Now, when using compatible numbers, these aren't exact. Again, these are more, we're rounding, we're estimating. All right, in problem B, we have 294 plus 74 plus 322. Again, even though this isn't in terms of change, we're still going to think in terms of 25s, 25, 50, 75, and 100. Now, 295 is pretty close to 300. 74 is pretty close to 75. And 322 is close to 325. Again, we can easily see 75 plus 25 gives us $1 or 100. And so once we can do that quickly without even thinking too hard about it. 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. So about 700. And the last one on example 1, $10 minus $5.72. $10 has already been estimated for us, so we can go ahead and write that one down. $5.72 is pretty close to $5.75. Now this is pretty easy because we're just adding the 75 cents to 0, so we can go ahead and write down 75 cents and then put our decimal point in the front. And we know 10 plus 5 is easily 15. And then don't forget your $sign. Now, even though we are using compatible numbers and we can easily add these together, I'm still showing what compatible numbers I used, and I'm still showing the addition. All right, example 2, use compatible numbers to estimate the cost of 4 board games at $25 each. So again, we are going to round this $24. So we're going to round that. It's going to be about $25. We're going to multiply it by the 4 board games. 5 times 4 is 20. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 2 is 10.